Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. My name is Triana and I do makeup product reviews. Today I'm gonna be doing my first unboxing ever, and I am so freaking excited to show you guys what I've been using for months and months and months, and I'm so happy to finally reveal it to you and do this little unboxing. So without further ado, if you like what you see, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel before you leave, and let's just go ahead and get on into it. I am collabing with RENOVA Skincare to do a little unboxing of two products that they are known for on the market right now, and something that is really trending right now and everybody wants to get their hands on it. I actually have been trying these products out for you guys for a few months now, and I use them twice a day as often as I need to, and I've been really loving them. Like, seriously obsessed. It has changed my skin texture, the way my skin feels. Like, it just has totally changed it. Let's get into the unboxing. I know you guys have been waiting and I'm so excited. Okay, drum roll please. Here is the box. Oh my goodness, she is a beauty. RENOVA Skincare is such an awesome company. They are so kind and definitely want to make sure you guys are loving your products. This is their box that it comes in. It has RENOVA Skincare name all around the box. It's so cute. I love the red. If you guys know me well, you know red is my favorite color. Just love it. Here's the box, and here's what it looks like when you open it. So it has a little lip right here that you just pop open. And ta-da! Here is the inside of the box. It looks so cute with all the red. Oh, there's the products. Okay, it comes with a little card. So cute. And it says, thank you, so sweet. We hope you enjoy this RENOVA product just as much as we have. Thank you for your purchase. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know. And they list their email address, and then follow us on their social for updates, promotions, and new product information. So I'm gonna link all of their socials and website information down in the description box down below. And here's to you and your beautiful, healthy skin. So cute, I love it. Love the card, thank you so much. And here's what they look like. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited, you guys, honestly, to show you these products. Like, they are absolutely amazing. This is what I use all throughout the day. I'm not even joking. I've used this to set my makeup. I use this right after I get out of the shower. I use it in the morning. Anytime I need a little refresher. So this is their RENOVA Skincare 100% pure and organic rose water. I am over the moon obsessed with this product. Seriously obsessed. I can't even tell you how good it is. Like, you have to definitely try it. The mister on this is insane. This is what the packaging looks like. It's so sleek. It's so clean, and it's so nice. Like, it's just such a good quality box. So it says on here, repair, refresh, RENOVA, moisturizing, hydrating, and toning. The ingredients are out of this world. Organic rose water, 100% pure, distilled from the Bulgarian rose petals, with no artificial fragrance or any chemicals or preservatives. That's something that I really like about this brand. It has no artificial fragrance, chemicals, ingredients. It's all 100% organic and pure, and I know that's super important to a lot of people as well. Some of the benefits, I'll just tell you guys right now: moisturizing your skin, making it feel so hydrated, promotes skin collagen protein synthesis, improves skin regeneration, and improves skin moisture, softness, and elasticity. So this is seriously so good. And there's so many different ways you can use rose water. They have all the usage on the side. They have the ingredients and benefits on the side. It's all very clear, and you get a lot. You get 3.4 fluid ounces, which is quite a good amount. I have mine right here that I'll show you. but this is what it looks like out of the packaging. So it's a big bottle. Like this is like, oh, this is like massive. This is a seriously massive bottle. And it's like, it's glass. It's super, super high quality. And again, it has the ingredients, it has the directions on it. And the mister, I'm gonna put it on right now. I already put some on today, but I'm gonna put some on my face right now because it's just so good. It's so nice. If you guys can see the mister, it's so fine and it feels so good. You guys are gonna love it, I swear to you. Also offering you guys $10 off your first order if you enter the code RENOVA10 at checkout. Next product out of our cute little package here. So when you guys order your box or order your products, this is what it's gonna come in, and it's so cute. So we're gonna take out the next product that I've been living for. It is the vitamin C serum. This fades sunspots, it brightens, and it hydrates. So this is what it looks like in the box. Again, it has the usage, the directions, and it also has the ingredients and benefits all on this side. So some of the benefits I wanna point out for both of them. They're both great for any skin types. I'm talking oily, dry, combo, normal. They're both good for any skin type. Next, they both hydrate your skin very well. And this one actually brightens. So the reason why I love this and why I can tell that this works is that I actually get some sunspots and darkening around like my mouth area if I'm out in the sun for too long. This has actually lightened it up. So I'm super, super blessed to have been trying this product. I can't wait for you guys to get your hands on these. They're so good. Just a few other things that helps fade hyperpigmentation, which is what I was talking about. It reduces the appearance of under eye circles, which sign me up right now, and protects against sun damage. It can also help soothe sunburns, which is unreal, and help boost wound healing. So this is a really good product to have. This is what it looks like out of the package. Again, really, really nice packaging. It's glass, they're both glass, and just really high quality product. I am seriously almost out of this, to be honest with you. And it comes with a dropper, like so. And you can, what I do typically, I'll show you right now, is I just drop a few into my hands, and I will put this all over my face. I'll put it on my neck. Like, it's so just moisturizing. It's light. You can put this on morning and night, which is what I usually do, and I love it. So you guys, this is basically the end of the video. These are the two products that I've been wanting to show you guys for so long. They're both in my morning and nighttime skincare routine, so if you want to check those videos out, I will link them down below and see how I use these products on a day-to-day basis. But you guys, I love these. I love these so much. Please let me know if you guys have tried rose water, if you have vitamin C serum. I love these products so much. I don't want you guys to miss out. And thank you so much, RENOVA Skincare, for sending me these products and letting me do this unboxing and giving my followers such a good deal on your products. I can't wait. I can't wait to hear what you guys think about them. And if you guys liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe before you leave. And I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.